Hi everybody, Mark Graff here. You know, so many of us are working from home these days. A lot of people are trying to figure out how to get the most out of their home network. And the other thing they want to know is, how do I keep my home network safe and secure? So that's what this video series is going to do for you, is explain some simple steps you can take. It's going to explain to you a little bit about how your home network works. And then I'm going to show you step by step how to get the most out of it, to get the best speed possible, the best response, so those video calls you're making, if you're talking to work or something, those look as smooth as possible, so the video games play well, so the movies download fast, that kind of stuff. We're going to talk about how to make your network responsive and fast, and we're also going to talk about how to nail it down. What kinds of bad things could happen to your home network and how to secure it. Really, it's a be surprised how simple it can be to make real improvements in both those areas. Okay, that's what we're going to talk about in this series. So for right now, let's all try to keep safe out there, and I'll talk to you again soon. Thanks.